doing kids creative. Now, I'm going to show you this awesome cool toy. It's a microscope. And here it is. This is a really cool microscope.
Maybe see if you can see this.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So let's put this here. So let's put that thing and we put
This light to shine.
oh, there we go.
Just through that hole.
Yep.
So here, the light shines through here. You see the light shining through the hole there?
And my bag works
so
there.
let's see
No. Oh, you see that?
that red thing there.
Is
Actually
a
what it
line.
looks like in.
It's hot red lava.
Like that. See?
This one, shall we?
Yeah.
But
Okay.
first,
Love, we can't see anything.
Well, I've got another thing we can do.
Okay. I'm still looking. Oh wait, I think I see it. See that like tiny little strips?
Okay. Now we might be able to find something else, but if not, then that's fine, isn't it? Say yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
See, did you see some dots? Yeah. I saw them too. You might have to pause the video to actually see it, but it's pretty cool.
Okay. I think we should probably start packing away, but yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe,
Bye.
and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Hope I can see you again.